a resolution commending and congratulating the players, the coaching staff, and the team managers of the Barotac Nuevo football team under 16 category, which represented the province of Iloilo for winning the championship in the Pinta Flores National Football Tournament held last July 27, 2023 at San Carlos City, Negros Occidental. This is sponsored by the Honorable, yours truly, Honorable Dorothy G. Paes, and the Honorable Rolando Bistura. Allow me to read, Your Honor. Whereas the Pinta Flores National Football Tournament is a yearly sports activity conducted by the LGU of San Carlos City, Negros Occidental to develop and improve football at the grassroots level. Whereas the said tournament was participated by 12 clubs from Negros, Cebu, Bohol, Mindanao, the National Capital Region, and Iloilo, represented by Barotac Nuevo football team. Whereas it lasted for 6 days, starting from July 22 to July 27, 2023, with the Barotac Nuevo football team defeating other competing teams and emerging as the champion. Whereas the key players of the Barotac Nuevo football team were also given individual awards, namely Joshua Lawrence Albior, Best Goalkeeper. Next, Ted Bailon, Best Midfielder. Giant Carlo Abalo, Most Valuable Player. And Romy Bisona, Best Striker, for providing 6 goals for the team during the entire tournament. Whereas the Barotac football team is composed of the following players, namely, first, Giancarlo Abalo, Joshua Lawrence Albior, Ted Bailon, fourth, Rigel Kent Birnisa, fifth, Juan Alexe Bigota, sixth, J. Carlo Bindol, 7, Rain Andrew Verdijo, 8, Romy Bisona, 9, John Lloyd Kanyanga, 10, Chris Edward De Lariarte, 11, J.A. De Lariarte, 12, Prince Noel Jocodo, 13, Kent Vincent Dila, 14, Mark Christian Doctora, 15, Ken Mark Angelo Guay, 16, Jake Hervas, 17, Nicole Jan Jose, 18, Nico Angelo Juarez, 19, JB Ramirez, 20, RJ Reyes, 21, Rafael Von Xiaotong, 22, Jose Miguel Tan. Whereas this said team is also supported by its coaching staff, namely Ayan Araneta, former Ascal Philippines team player as head coach, is there standing. Next, Wilson De Rutas Jr., assistant coach. And Arlo Martinez, goalkeeper coach. And the 2 team managers who facilitated for the financial support of the team, namely Engineer Dofi Botavara and yours truly. Whereas the efforts and sacrifices of the team and its technical staff brought honor and pride to their families. The LGU of Barotac Nuevo, known as the football capital of the country, and the province of Iloilo with football as part of its sports development program under Governor Arthur Tuto Defensor Jr. Now, therefore, on my sponsorship and motion, resolved and duly seconded, resolved and is hereby resolved to commend and congratulate the players, the coaching staff, and the team managers of the Barotac Nuevo football team under 16 category, which represented the province of Iloilo for winning the championship in the Pinta Flores National Football Tournament held last July 27, 2023 at San Carlos City, Negros Occidental. I so moved, Your Honor.
So moved. Any second the motion? Unanimously seconded. Motion is approved.